Hi, my name is Heath and welcome to my shop. Today I would like to take you through the process as to how I go about creating a blank to make something similar to this. This was made out of apple green Pearl X with maple ambrosia. I also made another one here out of cherry and elm with a violet Pearl X, and also this one was made with citrine Pearl X and applewood. This idea comes from a gentleman by the name of Brendan Stimp. I'm sure most of you have probably already subscribed to his channel. If not, I'll place a link below to lead you to his channel. Go over and check his stuff out. He has some excellent videos in reference to resin and wood. I have decided I enjoy working with a resin called Alumilite. There's a side A, side B. This is to be measured by weight, not volume. You do not want to make that mistake. I was back and forth as to which color I wanted to use. This one is Sailboat Blue. This one is Watermelon. Both alcohol-based inks, colorant. That is, I think we're going to go with Sailboat Blue today. I think that'll look nice. Maybe we'll try the Watermelon in a future project. We're going to use two types of wood, maple and big leaf maple. This would actually have been left over from this project. There's a few pieces in here with some ambrosia streaks running through them. So we'll be checking out the Sailboat Blue and some maple and see how it turns out. Stick around. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and prep this for the pour. I've gone ahead and ahead of time I whipped these up on the lathe, therefore obviously I'm able to chuck this up after the mold or the blank has cured. I normally I'll place a base block, something that'll raise this up, of course, to be able to give me enough room to center it and also to pour enough resin in there to make a nice blank. So I make sure that's nice and center, and I'll go ahead and tape it down to keep it from floating. Go through this process, and once I have this all taped up, we'll go ahead and do the pour. Okay, so I have everything taped up here. We're ready at this point to go ahead and mix the Alumilite side A with side B. This does have only a 7-minute open time, so we'll go ahead and get started. Make sure you get as much of that out of there as you can. And we'll go ahead and stir that up and get that mixed together. Make sure you scrape the sides. Once you get this mixed up, you'll want to go ahead and pour this into a clean cup. You'll notice the swirls will start to disappear. And the resin will become more clear, clarity. Okay, so that's mixed nice and well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pour this in the clean cup. Okay, mix this up, and we'll go ahead and add the colorant. I'm using alcohol ink sailboat blue, I'm going with 11 drops. This will be placed in a pressure pot at 55 pounds of pressure to allow this blank to cure bubble free. Okay, so we have that nice and mixed. We're going to go ahead and do our pour. You'll notice some of the timber will start floating. That's why you place that painter's tape on there. You want the glue to come up all the way to the waste block. I normally fill it up, probably about a 1/4 inch the rim of the bowl. And there you have it. We'll go ahead and place that in a pressure pot, and we'll pull this out tomorrow and take a look at it. Stick around. Welcome back. It's been 24 hours. I've had this in the pressure pot at 55 pounds of pressure. We will be taking a look at this shortly. I did want to mention the excess resin from this pour. I ended up pouring that into a small plastic cup here. I think I picked these up at the dollar store. And I also placed some small clothespins inside of it, that way basically just to see how encapsulating these in this type of resin would work out. The advantage to that is it does give me an idea of what the color of this blank is going to be. I wasn't completely impressed. The blue is actually much lighter, of course. 10 to 11 drops at about 14 to 15 ounces of resin. I was looking to get something a little closer to this, although I'm still happy with this. I'm sure I'll be able to do something with that. But I wanted to share that with you. Let's go ahead and take the tape off here and check this blank out. I can tell that some of the timber had floated to the surface. And there you have it. We got a spot here. It looks like it's kind of looks like this piece had floated over. What would fix that is actually adding a little bit more timber. It's kind of trial and error. Although once I turn it down, it may not be as noticeable. But that's how I make my blanks to chuck up on the lathe, and I'll probably post some pictures, the finished product. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if this is something that you would be interested in, please click like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future. Have a wonderful day.